VCPM seamlessly integrates construction methodology, management systems, and construction support systems to facilitate the design and development of construction activities, which then become a vital input for 4D simulation production. VCPM is structured around three key components: a comprehensive knowledge base, a production skills base, and real-world project simulation-based learning, a simulation within a simulation, if you will. The primary goal of VCPM is to develop job-ready virtual construction project managers. By the end of the program, you will possess the knowledge and skills necessary to produce a 4D simulation construction project and the ability to lead and manage a team, whether in-house or through online collaboration. To register, please follow the link provided in the description.